right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle.
Wait a minute. Right atrium. Right atrium, this is the left atrium? Okay.
Right ventricle, left ventricle. So right atrium, tricuspid valve, right ventricle, pulmonary artery, pulmonary trunk, pulmonary arteries out to the left, deoxygenate. Okay. Come back by way of pulmonary veins, back to the heart, into the left atrium, bicuspid valve, left ventricle, aortic semilunar valve, out the aorta.
Now, what about is it the foramen ovalis? Can you see that on that one or no?
That's going to be at one of these here, but I like the other one, shows it better.
Okay.
Just
And then the SA note and
the way it's positioned is a little
yeah, it is.
and the way it's cut. So I'm just taking the front off. But once you get the chambers, your atria, your ventricles. Okay?
Okay, thank you.